Dear children, where do we live in? Yes, we live in this beautiful and sacred land called India. ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମେ ଏହି ସୁନ୍ଦର ତଥା ପବିତ୍ର ଭୂମିରେ ବାସ କରୁ ଯାହା ସମଗ୍ର ବିଶ୍ୱରେ ଭାରତ ନାମରେ ପରିଚିତ. India is rich in its culture and customs. ଭାରତ ତାର ସଂସ୍କୃତି ଏବଂ ପରମ୍ପରାରେ ସମୃଦ୍ଧ ତଥା ସମଗ୍ର ବିଶ୍ୱରେ ପ୍ରସିଦ୍ଧ ଅଟେ. India has a huge diversity. ଭାରତରେ ବିବିଧତା ମଧ୍ୟ ଅନେକ. People of different communities from different religions live here. ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଧର୍ମ ତଥା ସମ୍ପ୍ରଦାୟର ଲୋକ ଏଠାରେ ବାସ କରନ୍ତି. They live like brothers and sisters. ସମସ୍ତେ ଭାଇଚାରାରେ ରହନ୍ତି. They celebrate many festivals round the year. So, let us see some festivals and cultural dances of India. तो ଚାଲ ଏଇଭଳି କିଛି ଭାରତୀୟ ପର୍ବପର୍ବାଣୀ ତଥା ସଂସ୍କୃତିର ଝଲକ ଦେଖିବା. There are many other festivals also that is being observed throughout the year, such as Vasanta Panchami, Deepavali, Dasahara, Raksha Bandhan, Buddha Jayanti, Mahavira Jayanti and many more. ଏହି ଅଭିନବ ତଥା ନିଆରା ପର୍ବ ସବୁବେଳେ ଭାରତରେ ହିଁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳିଥାଏ. We can see an atmosphere of festivity and celebration during these festivals. ଏହି ପର୍ବପର୍ବାଣୀ ପାଳନ ସମୟରେ ଆନନ୍ଦ ଉତ୍ସବର ପରିବେଶ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳିଥାଏ. People of all communities celebrate these festivals with great pomp and splendor. ସବୁ ବର୍ଗର ଲୋକେ ଆଡମ୍ବର ତଥା ଭବ୍ୟତାର ସହ ଏହି ପର୍ବଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପାଳନ କରିଥାନ୍ତି. Children, India is a huge country having a population of around 1.3 billion. It has 28 states and 8 union territories. ପିଲାମାନେ 134 କୋଟି ଜନସଂଖ୍ୟା ବିଶିଷ୍ଟ ଭାରତ ଏକ ବିଶାଳ ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର ଅଟେ. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଭାରତରେ ରାଜ୍ୟ ସଂଖ୍ୟା 28 ଓ କେନ୍ଦ୍ରଶାସିତ ଅଞ୍ଚଳ 8ଟି. Have you ever been to the north eastern states of India? ତୁମେମାନେ କେବେ ଭାରତର ଉତ୍ତର ପୂର୍ବ ରାଜ୍ୟଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଯାଇଛ? Have you ever met with the people of this part? Have you seen their festivals observed? People of northeastern states of India too celebrate their festivals with much interest. अन्य राज्य परि भारतर उत्तर पूर्व राज्य गुड़िकरे मध्य विभिन्न पर्वपर्वाणी गुड़िकु अत्यंत आग्रह तथा उत्सव सहकारे पालन करा जाए. So children, let us discuss about the topic of your textbook named Festivals of Northeast India and know about the people, their festivals and customs of this beautiful region of India. तो चलो भारतर उत्तर पूर्वांचल संस्कृति तथा पर्वपर्वाणी विषय रे अधिक किछि जानिबा तुम पुस्तकर एही विषयरु. पिलामाने चैप्टर टीर प्रत्येक पैराग्राफ को आमे सेंस ग्रुप पैराग्राफ नाम रे नामित करिछे. तो चलो आमे प्रथम दुईटी एसजीपी बा सेंस ग्रुप पैराग्राफ विषय रे आलोचना करिबा. The text SGP 1. The Northeast India is a collective name for the easternmost parts of India, representing both a geographic and administrative division of the country. The region comprises 8 states, namely Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim, and Tripura. The contiguous 7 states, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Nagaland, are commonly described as the land of 7 sisters because of their interdependence on each other. On the other hand, Sikkim is geographically not a contiguous part of the northeast region. It is separated from the northeast by Siliguri corridor, so it is not included in the land of 7 sisters. However, Sikkim has happily taken up the role of being a little brother to the amazing 7 sisters. Notes and glossary SGP 1. North East India, भारतर उत्तर पूर्वांचल. Collective, forming a group, सामूहिक. Representing, describing, दर्शाइबा. Geographic, related to land, भौगोलिक. Administrative, official, प्रशासनिक. Division, part, विभाग. Region, one of the areas of a country having its own customs, अंचल. Comprise, formed from, गठित हेबा. Interdependence, depending on each other, परस्पर निर्भरशील. Contiguous, touching or sharing the boundaries with each other, परस्पर सन्निहित बा लागि रहिथिबा. Separate, split apart, विच्छेद हेबा. Corridor, a long narrow strip of land that follows the course of an important road, एक संकीर्ण भूमिपथ बा अंचल. Include, take in, मिसाइबा. Role, duty, दायित्व. Amazing, wonderful, विस्मयकर. SGP 2. The text. The northeastern regions of India is a place of diverse cultures. The different communities and tribes of Northeast India celebrate their unique festivals with great enthusiasm and joy. Many of these festivals are based on agriculture, and no celebration is complete without traditional music and dance. Notes and Glossary SGP 2. Diverse, different, vividha. Culture, way of life, sanskruti. Communities, group of people sharing the same tradition or idea. Sampradaya. Tribes, janajati. Celebrate, to observe, palana kariba. Unique, one of its kind, swatantra. Festivals, parba parbani. Enthusiasm and joy, ati utshaha o ananda. Traditional music, paramparika sangita. Summary SGP 1 and 2. The Northeast India is a beautiful part of our country. It comprises of 8 states. These are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim and Tripura. ପାଖାପାଖି ଲାଗି ରହିଥିବା ଏଥିମଧ୍ୟରୁ 7ଟି ରାଜ୍ୟ ଯଥା ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ, ଆସାମ, ମଣିପୁର, ମେଘାଳୟ, ମିଜୋରାମ ଏବଂ ନାଗାଲାଣ୍ଡକୁ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ 7 ସିଷ୍ଟର୍ସ ବା 7 ଭଉଣୀର ରାଜ୍ୟ କୁହାଯାଏ. Sikkim is not a part of the Northeast region because it is separated from the 7 sisters by Siliguri corridor, that is a long narrow strip of land. Siliguri corridor is also known as Chicken's Neck, which is a part of West Bengal, a state of India. However, Sikkim is known as the little brother to these amazing 7 sisters. The northeastern regions of India is full of different cultures. There are many tribes and communities live in these regions. They observe different festivals with great interest and joy. The festivals are based on agriculture. Traditional music and dance is an important part of their festivals. Pronunciation, Uchcharana. Administrative, interdependence, contiguous, corridor, enthusiasm, comprise,